Hello students, now in this video let us see the permutation with indistinguishable objects. Indistinguishable objects. So now there is one theorem. What the theorem says, if there are n1 indistinguishable objects of type 1 and 2 indistinguishable objects of type 2 and so on, and nk indistinguishable objects of type K, where sum of all these objects n1 plus n2 plus n3 plus so on up to what, nk, is equal to what, n. Total number of objects are n. Okay, so then number of permutations of these n objects, number of permutations of these n objects is what? This is n factorial upon n1 factorial into n2 factorial and so on up to nk factorial. This is a result for this. Now let us see the example for this. Later on you will be very clear for this. So let me take example. How many different words can be formed by rearranging the letters of the word. What is the word? This. Let me write it in detail. Sorry, the word is very important. It is the spelling LALITHA Lalitha Kamalam. Now we have to form various words from these from the letters of this word. Okay, but here look at here, this A. How many times this A comes? Again L comes 3 times, A comes I think 5 times. Okay, so I comes once. Okay, T comes once, H comes once, K comes once, but again M comes twice. So which m we have been substituted where? So that is the thing here, that n1 indistinguishable objects means this L, these 3 L's are not different, these are same kind of object is this. N2 indistinguishable means A is also of same kind. Now here how does the solution will be written? Here total, for such a kind of problems we will use this result, indistinguishable, we cannot distinguish them. Okay, so total number of letters, total number of letters is how much? here these are 14. Total number of letters 14. So first we have to find how many letters in the word are repeated. That is, I say L repeat thrice as such. So L repeats 3 times, A repeats 5 times, I repeats once, T repeat once, H repeat once, K repeat once, and M repeat twice. Therefore, the number of arrangements equal to what? Total 14 letters are these. 14 factorial. This sum is also 14. Look at here. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 5, 6, 6 and 5, 11, 11 plus 3, 14. It should be happened. Here n1 plus n2 plus n3 so on up to nk should be what? N. Then and then it is okay. Otherwise it is not. Now upon 14 factorial upon this one 3 factorial into 5 factorial into 1 factorial into 1 factorial into 1 factorial into 1 factorial into what? 2 factorial. This is a solution here. So here we cannot separate which L is that. We cannot distinguish that thing. That's why such a result is applicable here. Now let me write one note here. Now the same thing can be asked as equivalent form, or we can say note for what? Equivalent form of permutation with indistinguishable objects. What does that? What is the equivalent form here? It is same as to say the number of ways to distribute an distinguishable objects into k distinguishable boxes, so that ni objects are placed in the box I for I equal to what? 1, 2, so on up to what? K equals. This is equivalent to what? The same thing. N factorial upon N1 factorial, N2 factorial, and so on up to what? Nk factorial. Now let us take some more examples. How many ways are there to arrange the letters in this word visiting with no pair of consecutive i's. with no pair of consecutive i's, means I should not come together. Fine. So what is the solution here? Actually, basically here I occurs thrice, but except I, how many letters? V, S, T, N and G. These 5 letters with us. So we can place these 5 letters first and with a gap between them. So for these 5 letters we get 6 gaps, and we can put these 3 i's in between these gaps so that they won't come as a pair there. So the condition is get satisfied. So those 3 i's can be placed in these 6 gaps in C63 ways or 6C3 ways. Therefore, and these 5 letters can be placed in 5 factorial ways. Therefore, total number of arrangements are what? The product of them. Okay. So here, what can we say? There are 6 gaps between the 5 letters. Which 5 letters? V, S, T, N and what? G. Adds. What? Here I will put a gap. Here I will put a gap. Gap. T, gap. N, gap. G, gap. Fine. Now, 3 i's can be, therefore 3 i's can be put in these gaps. In how many ways? C63 ways. Therefore, and 5 letters. Which 5 letters? These 5 letters V, S, T, N, G can be permuted in 5 factorial ways. Therefore, total number of arrangements. Therefore, total number of arrangements are how many? C63 multiplied by 5 factorial. These many ways are there. Fine. This is the answer here. Now, let us take next example. Now, the next example says, how many strings of ternary digits, that is 0, 1 or 2, are there that contain exactly 2 zeros, 3 ones and 5 twos. Okay. So what is the solution here? We can write the solution in one line. String with given condition is the rearrangement of what? 2 zeros, 3 ones and 5 twos. Therefore, number of ways are how many here? Total are how many? 5 twos means what? 5 3 8 plus 2, 10. So that's why I take 10 factorial upon 2 zeros means 2 factorial, 3 ones means 3 factorial, and 5 2s, so 5 factorial. So the answer is 2520 is this. Fine. The next example, similar kind of question. How many ways are there to roll a die 6 times, roll a die 6 times and obtain a sequence of outcomes with 1 1 3 5s and 2 6. So 2 6 3 5s, so 2 plus 3 5 and 1 1, so 6, total 6 letters are there. So actually what is the solution? The problem is equivalent. The problem is equivalent to rearrange the digits. Rearrange the digits. Which digits? 1 3 times 5. Arrange the digits. This. Again 2 times what? 6. Therefore, number of ways are how many here? Number of ways are what? Total object 6. So 6 factorial upon 1 come once, 5 comes thrice, so 3 factorial, 6 comes twice, so 2 factorial. These many ways to arrange them. Fine. Now, next example. Next example is that how many numbers greater than what? 30 lakh can be formed by arrangement of 1 2 2 4 6 6 6, these one. So now as we have to arrange these numbers as such, the number should be greater than this 30 lakh. So here greater than 30 lakh means obviously this 3 will be what? The number is greater than 30 lakh, so we should put 4 and 6 in the leftmost position. So first of all let me write solution. Either 4 or 6. So either 4 or 6, so mutually exclusive cases are these. So let us do a case for 4 and case for 6 separately. So first of all write the number should be greater than 30 lakh. Therefore, put 4 or 6 in leftmost position. Okay, so do the cases. Case 1, okay, 4 in leftmost. So if 4 in the leftmost, then remaining digits are what? Except this. So remaining are 1 2 2 6 6 6. So remaining are how many? 6 letters with us. So remaining, therefore remaining 6 digits can be arranged in how many ways? 6 factorial upon, here 1 repeat once, 2 repeat twice, so 2 factorial, and 6 repeat thrice, so 3 factorial. These many ways, that are how many? 60 ways. That are 60 ways. Now case 2, that is for 6 in leftmost. 6 in leftmost. So when 6 in leftmost, there are 3 6. So therefore the remaining, any one of them will be at leftmost position. So remaining are again how many? 6. So remaining 6 digits can be arranged in how many ways? 6 factorial upon 1 factorial, then this 2 will be there, 2 factorial, again 4 will be there, so 1 factorial, and 2 6 are there, so 2 factorial. So this is how much? 180 ways, and these are mutually exclusive cases. Therefore total number of ways are how many? This is addition of this 60 plus 180, so these are how much? 240 ways. Okay, now let me take one more. Suppose example, how many arrangements are there? How many arrangements are there in the letter banana, such that the letter B is followed by A. B is followed by what? A. Means what? B and A should be together. So solution, let BA forms a letter, a single letter, let it be a single letter. So condition is get satisfied. If BA forms a letter, so this form a letter, then how many total letters are there? 1 2 3 4, and this is single one, so 5 letters are there. Therefore we have to arrange these BA N A only. Therefore number of arrangements are how many? Total 5 letters are these, so 5 factorial upon what? This BA is one single letter, so 1 factorial, N repeat twice, so 2 factorial, and A repeat twice, so 2 factorial. So this is how much? 30 ways are there. To do this, there are 30 ways. So as such, we can solve the problems on permutation with indistinguishable objects also. You can solve other problems also of these kinds. If you have any doubt of these, so you can ask me either on WhatsApp group or on Google Classroom. Now here we have been completed our 3rd chapter, that is counting principle. Now in next video we will start our next chapter, that is recurrence relation.